It gives me great pleasure introducing all my non-Bengali friends to the finer, more complex parts of the cuisine, some of which have intricate layers of taste, like shukto, a pathora of vegetables cooked in the most unique spices with creamy, milky gravy with the slightest hint of sweetness and a core taste of bitterness. Even describing the dish is such a pleasure. The Bengali style mixed vegetable in a soothing rustic curry which cleans your palate perfectly before you dig into the countless courses which comprise a typical Bengali meal. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's make today melody of mixed vegetable, and first of all let us check the ingredients. The ingredients are raw papaya, radish, sweet potato, brinjal, pumpkin, raw banana, drumstick, and our bitter gourd. With that, mustard seed, sesame seed, scented rice, wild celery or ajmoda, sugar, salt, lentil dumplings or bari. Now, let's begin our recipe. First of all, in a mixer grinder, add ginger slices. After that, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. This will give the richness to the gravy. 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. 1 tablespoon of scented rice. Over here I am using Govindabhog rice. You can take any other scented rice. And this is half teaspoon of wild celery or ajmoda. Now add little water and make a fine paste. After that, keep aside and let's begin the final recipe. For that, in a big pan, add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then we will add the veggies. First of all, add the bari, 8 to 10 pieces. Fry it in a medium-high flame until it turns red from all the sides and then remove it. We will add this bari at the end of the recipe so that it remains intact. After removing the bari, in that same oil, we will add first the bitter gourd. Over here, I have used 2 to 3 medium-sized bitter gourd. Fry it in a medium-high flame. Add little salt and turmeric powder and wait until it turns golden from all the sides. If you don't fry the bitter gourd properly, the entire melody of vegetables will be very bitter. So be careful while frying this bitter gourd. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to change its color and to turn brown. Do you know that shukto cooked with a bitter gourd as one of the ingredients is a staple dish in most Bengali homes. Apart from being tasty, is also recommended during an upset tummy as it is light, non-spicy and whets the appetite of the person. Now from this video you can see our bitter gourd is perfectly done. You can either remove it from the pan or move it in one side, then add all other vegetables. First of all, let me inform you that you can take any vegetables of your choice. I have used this type of vegetables. There is no hard and fast rule. You can have to use this vegetable only. Add 2 medium sized potato, 1 large sweet potato, 2 medium-sized brinjal, 200 grams of pumpkin, 1 large raw banana. Over here, I have cut all the vegetables in strip size. You can use any other shape according to your choice. Add 2 to 3 drumstick and small papaya. With that, 1 medium-sized radish. Now mix all the vegetables and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame. After stirring for a while, you will see from vegetables moisture will start to release. At that point of time, again stir well and then add some simple and basic masala. First add 1/4 teaspoon of wild celery, or you can say radhuni. Then add salt as per your taste. and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Though don't ignore sugar, it will not taste good if you don't add sugar. With that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir all the vegetables well. Then add the masala which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. Into that mixer grinder, add half cup of water and wash it properly and add that water too so that nothing go waste. With that water, you need to add another 2 glass of water so that our vegetables are perfectly cooked. After adding entire thing, stir well and then you can cover and cook in a medium flame and let the vegetables simmer till they are cooked. If the vegetables stand out individually, break them a bit so that they get amalgamated, taking care not to mash them completely. Over here, you need to cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes so our vegetables are perfectly done. You can also cover and cook this shukto or you can cook openly. Now after 10 to 15 minutes, you will need to open the lid and check the water level and the tenderness of the vegetables. If required, add more water as shukto is a dish best served with a sufficient amount of gravy. Now from this video you can understand our shukto is perfectly ready. At this point, add the fried bari and a dollop of ghee into the shukto and boil for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Once done, then serve this delicious and healthy recipe with piping hot rice and enjoy this melody of vegetable with your friends and family. At last, the important thing to remember is to understand what kind of taste we are aiming for the gravy to have. The gravy needs to be slightly creamy, slightly sweet, but mostly savory and absolutely not spicy. Also, it's very essential to retain the shape of the vegetable chunks, avoid overcooking. Good luck in the kitchen. And now, those who are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. And those who already have subscribed, if you like this video, don't forget to comment in my comment section and hit the like button. See you again with another wonderful recipe. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Bye-bye.